Hey, good morning, everybody. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America. Guys, happy coffee. Happy Monday for some of you. I am off. So, wow, we have some wicked news to share with you, folks. Once again, we all knew the markets are blowing up again, everybody, on the precious metals. So, stick with us. But before we do, hit like, subscribe, and share on our channel. Hey, thanks all of you early risers for getting up and watching us every morning, everybody. We really appreciate it. We try to make this as real as possible, like we're sitting at your kitchen counter talking to you about it, everybody. That's what this channel is all about. We are not like all the other channels where it's doom and gloom and all that stuff. So maybe that's why we're growing a little slower, but we don't care. We're having a good time, everybody. So we're going to be checking out these gold, these silver prices, platinum, palladium, copper, Bitcoin. So here we go. Guys, it is going to be a week. It's going to be a week for metals. Everybody, happy coffee. Let's take a little sip here. Allergies sort of in full force. I'm off today, so going to be getting this on just a little bit later than normal. I hope it doesn't mess anybody up, but I slept in till what time? Oh my gosh, 4:30 maybe. So anyway, guys, gold and silver. The U.S. markets, I think, are open right now. They are, and gold and silver are just going up, everybody. Just like we've predicted, there's no holding them back. Bull run, massive bull runs, everybody. And it's going to continue. A lot of you say the same thing on our channel. It is going to continue to rise, I think, every day. We might have some little short dips, but wow, I don't think there's anything holding it back, everybody. And you know, as we've talked before, guys, that I mean, there's a lot of you out there, silver and gold stackers, that have had your gold and your silver for years and years and years. And these kind of prices are so tempting to to want to go sell. And I'd be tempted also, but with the way the market's going right now, the dollar bill shortage, when I say shortage, value drop, goodness gracious, guys, it's going to keep going up. So if I was you, and I would hold out personally. Of course, you all do what you want to do, but let's look at gold first. Gold is at $3,815 an ounce, guys. That is record highs. That is absolutely unbelievable. It's unbelievable. When I woke up, actually, I woke up at 2 a.m. this morning and I saw it, well over 3,700. Oh, God, that's good. But man, when I actually got up and I looked at, that's the first thing I do is look at the markets. Wow, I was shocked, and it continues to climb. See, right now we're at 38.1550. The asking is 38.1750 on gold. So let's move over to silver. There's nothing holding silver back. The big bubble, as we've talked about. But the bubble has no ending on silver. It's got tons of room to grow. It is at $46.87, folks. It closed Friday at $45.99. It has jumped 88 cents an ounce, along with gold at $56.80 an ounce jump. But 88 cents an ounce jump on silver. And it's going to hit 47. There's a good possibility, guys. It could hit $47 an ounce today. And, some of the other ones that are doing really good is platinum's doing really good. I don't have a bunch of platinum. That's why we didn't talk about it in the video yesterday. But yes, I left it out. Platinum is doing fantastic. It's at 1581, everybody. And palladium is at 1256. Now, platinum's up $6 and palladium's up $8. Our gold to silver ratio is 81.42. So gold is trying to hold on against silver. And right now it is holding on. I mean, when you have those kind of prices for gold and silver, it's just shocking, guys. Rhodium's at 7,025. Another one that's got me this morning, that it continues to rise and rise and rise, and I think it'll do it with all the other metals, not like gold and silver, of course, and platinum and palladium, but copper. Copper, everybody. Copper is $4.81 this morning. I think it closed out Friday in our updates at 476. So holy smokes. Copper is really killing it also. And Bitcoin, Wonder Boy, we thought maybe it followed, as gold and silver went up, Bitcoin went down, but I think it just has a mind of its own. It's went from 109,000 some change to 112, 254, 80. Okay. Well, if you lost money, you gained it back. If you sold it at 109, you lost money. So anyway, what are some of the factors that are driving these prices? And we all know that supply and demand. We're in the fall season, ongoing conflicts across the world, Ukraine, Russia. We got trade tensions. It's driving the dollar. Of course, the dollar's, weakening. As we talked about yesterday in a video, it lost 11% in the first quarter of this year. So, usually when that drives down, the dollar drives down, silver and gold go up. When we drop interest rates in the country, which is good for Mrs. SSC, it also drives gold and silver prices up. So the weakening dollar, and something else that we've talked about this: central banks, big banks buying tons and tons of gold. They're driving the price up. They're buying it all out. They're buying it because it's a safe haven. So they're holding that gold and holding that silver on us. And is there really a gold shortage, or could there not be a gold shortage? Are they not telling us something? Okay, so silver is in high demand for industrial uses. It's in high demand for us because we want to buy it. We want to buy it as a safe haven. And the silver, maybe not a shortage, but a little bit more of a shorter supply than usual, maybe. I don't know. I mean, they talk about that. So the more the demand, the shorter supply. They got to get it out of the ground. There's a lot of factors influencing all these prices. So let's get over to the comment that made me laugh. And man, there's a lot of fantastic comments on here, everybody. I love the comments, love your comments. And, I thought about doing these live, but, this early in the morning, probably not such a great thing. And not only that, I did some research. When you do these things live, it smokes your channel. It doesn't help it. So we'll just stick with this, guys. We also did a poll on, hey, should I just do these videos or should I continue to do videos of pickups and what we bought, and maybe just some informative educational videos? And you guys have spoken and said 89% want me to continue to do those. So we will, but those will mainly be on the weekends, everybody. So continue to watching these, and then we'll do those pickups on the weekends. Interview Rich at El Reno Coin. Don't forget to go see him to get that beat up Barber $50. See if he has it. We're trying to get everybody to that, especially local in Oklahoma. If you can get that beat up Barber $50, you buy something and then you go back and you give it back to Rich, and then he gives it to somebody else, everybody. So I keep coming up. Well, I don't keep coming up, but we have viewers that keep coming up with funny stuff, and Lee, you kill me, and it keeps being you. That kills me. So yesterday, I'm not sure. He called me Sugar Bear. I'm not sure what that means, buddy, but Sugar Bear. Woo wee! Holy smokes! That is quite the comment. Chevy, we love it though. We've got plenty of comments on here. One said, "Hey, this is in reference to our video yesterday. Never had problems selling gold." I understand that. It is more difficult to sell gold because it's, much more expensive, especially if you had to barter with it, guys. But you're right. Gold is great. Silver's great. It's all great. Wow. Let's see about some other comments. What's great is everybody's watching these metals go up. I've got one comment hit that he thinks it's going to hit 50 by this end of this week. Silver hit 50. So that's a good possibility. The way these things are going, everybody, it is absolutely crazy. We're at 46.89 right now on silver. 46.89. And gold is at 38.1670 right now. So 46.89 on silver. Holy smokes, 81.40 on the GSR or gold to silver ratio, everybody. And that's with all the markets open. The New York market's open. All the world markets are open. Hong Kong, their gold's at 37.9325. Mumbai is at 38.05. Britain, they're at 38.16. New York, it doesn't show it yet for some reason, but anyway, so things are going fantastic for gold and silver. It does limit your buying ability a little bit. If you dollar cost average everything, you'll be okay. Some of you have seen these huge rises in the past, but never before like right now. Gold is skyrocketing. We're at 38.17, and silver is skyrocketing, guys. 46.91 right now. We're going to go 47 by the time I bet I load this video. So everybody have a happy Monday, a happy coffee day. We love you. Thanks for watching these videos and getting up early, everybody. All you early risers, the older you get, the earlier you rise, right? So thanks for watching them through. We appreciate you. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America, guys. Have a great Monday. I'm out.